Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn the engine off. Wear gloves and safety glasses to keep debris out of your hands. Check the owner manual for recommended change interval of 15,000 miles or 12 months. Buy an OEM or equivalent cabin filter designed for the 2022 Accord. Gather a 7mm socket, a flat trim tool, and a flashlight for visibility. Keep a clean tray to hold small screws and clips while you work. This preparation speeds the job and prevents lost parts. Open the passenger door and empty the glove box to allow full travel. Open the glove box and remove the lower damper screw with a 7mm socket. Pinch the glove box side tabs and lower the glove box to access the glove box pocket. Locate the rectangular cabin filter cover behind the glove box pocket area. Remove the rectangular filter cover by lifting the two retention tabs outward and pulling gently. Slide the old filter straight out while watching for trapped debris. Note the airflow arrow on the old filter for correct reinstallation direction. Inspect the filter slot and vacuum any loose debris before installing the new filter. Insert the new filter with the airflow arrow pointing toward the evaporator and away from the cabin. Make sure the filter sits fully flat and the pleats are not compressed. Secure the filter cover by snapping both retention tabs back into place. Lift the glove box back into its normal position and reinstall the lower damper screw with the 7mm socket. Close the glove box and remove tools from the cabin. Run the blower on high to verify clean airflow and no rattles after reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.